Have you ever felt tired all the time, had brittle nails, or just kept falling sick?
These are signs your body might be missing essential vitamins and minerals, even if you eat 3 meals a day.
Today we'll simplify what each mineral actually does in your body.
And the best vegetarian and non-vegetarian foods to get them from. No confusing jargon, just real health talk. Calcium builds your skeleton, keeps your teeth strong, and helps your heart and muscles work.
Deficiency: weak bones, tooth decay, or even muscle cramps.
Vegetarians focus on milk yogurt, paneer, sesame seeds, and tofu.
Non-veg: sardines with bone, salmon, and egg yolks are solid sources.
Iron helps your blood carry oxygen. Without it, you'll feel weak, pale, or even have hair loss.
Vegetarians eat spinach, rajma, lentils, jaggery, and pair it with vitamin C to boost absorption.
Meat lovers, lucky you. Red meat, liver, chicken, and fish contain heme iron, which is absorbed better. Zinc supports healing, fights infections, and helps with taste and smell.
Zinc deficiency: you'll have slow wound healing, frequent colds, or even acne.
Vegetarians should eat pumpkin seeds, legumes, cashews, and whole wheat.
Non-veg: oysters, beef, and chicken are great zinc boosters.
Magnesium keeps your muscles, nerves, and heart rhythm in balance. Low magnesium can cause cramps, mood swings, and even poor sleep.
Vegetarians go for dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Bananas, legumes, oats, and spinach.
Non-vegetarians get it from salmon, tuna, and meat. Iodine supports your thyroid gland, which controls metabolism and hormones.
Without it, you may gain weight, feel tired, or develop a goiter. You know, that neck swelling.
Use iodized salt and eat seaweed, dairy, or potatoes.
Seafood eaters? You're in luck. Fish, shrimp, and eggs have natural iodine.
Potassium keeps your heart beating properly and prevents muscle cramps.
Low potassium? You'll feel weak, dizzy, or have irregular heartbeat, trust me.
Vegetarian picks: bananas, coconut water, potatoes, and dals.
Non-veg chicken, milk, and salmon deliver decent potassium too. So next time you feel low on energy or keep falling sick, check your nutrients, not just your schedule.
It's not about eating more, it's about eating right, colorful, diverse, and balanced.
Whether you're veg or non-veg, your body speaks. Just listen to it.
Drop a comment if you want us to cover supplements, immunity-boosting diets, or kid-friendly nutrition next.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who skips their veggies.